Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's going to be another book haul. As usual, the book haul is very accumulated book haul. I have received all these books in the past 2 months. I have kept them aside. I have tried not to show them. Most of them you haven't seen. एक ही देखी है, ठीक है? I have made sure कि मैं कुछ ना दिखाऊं. So let's get into the video. The first book I have here is, I mean, you will see some of my favorite authors in this book haul, like in this stack. And there are some books which are like I've been wanting to read, sort of thing. So you will see me getting excited over all these books, or rather suppress my excitement because I'm very excited. The first book which we have here is Alice with a Y. It's by Anna James. She is the author of Pages and Co series. I love that series. I love the author. I love her characters, her plot lines, her magic system, everything. I'm a huge fan. So when I saw that she is coming out with a new book, I was like, मुझे पढ़नी है बस. I don't know anything else. I just want to read everything she writes. And it's an Alice in Wonderland retelling, I think, or whatever it is. I haven't even checked the back. If she's going to write it, I'm gonna read it. That's it. It's short, so it's going to be very quick. And I have plans to read this book. I have some plans. You know, we are readers. We always plan कि मुझे कौन सा book कब पढ़ना है. We don't really follow those plans, but we do have some plans, right? Next two books are part of a series, and it is the series which I have been wanting to read. And I've decided to read it in fall. So it's the Assistant to the Villain series. I bought both the books. मुझे third भी लेना था, but then I checked that it is the trade paperback size, so I didn't want to get the trade paperback because see the thing is like the book will come out in the smaller size, but it won't. The previous books won't be available in trade paperbacks, right? So I decided to get these. Third book will get eventually. The first book is Assistant to the Villain, and the second is Apprentice to the Villain. And I have heard that it is hilarious, it is light, it is funny, it's goofy and silly, and you know me, right? Either give me gut wrenching, heartfelt books, or mystery thrillers, or silly, goofy time. That's my essential reading pie chart. I am excited to read these. I am a witchy books, like paranormal reader. I love all witchy, vampire, all the different types of such books during the fall season. So I'm very excited to read these, and I don't know how to hold them in one single hand. That's why they are getting out of hand. No, so that's why they are like moving a lot, and I'm moving them a lot because I'm not able to hold them steadily. Anyways, I have heard that the main character, the love interest, is the villain, and our female main character is going to assist the villain. And I have heard it's really fun, so I have a little bit hopes. I mean, I always try to go with less hopes. I usually try to lower my expectation and then read the books. And this time I have little bit expectations, so we'll see how it goes. And I'm excited to read these books. Then I have a book which arrived at my house, got delivered during the rainiest week in the monsoon 2025. It was crazy. Everything was flooded. Okay, so I was hoping कि कोई book ना आए so that those won't get damaged. Even Assistant to the Villain series also came during that week, but उसका सिर्फ outer covering खराब हुआ था. Like it was little bit wet because the delivery guy held it like ऐसे यहाँ पे ऐसे like the delivery guy was holding it like this. He was wearing a raincoat. So the outer packaging got wet. Of course, he didn't know कि उसके अंदर भी book pages से ही बना हुआ कुछ है. So it was okay. Like I immediately took these books out of the packaging so that अंदर तक वो पूरा खराब ना हो जाए. So that's why they are in really good condition. कुछ हुआ नहीं है. They are really good. But this one was sad. Okay, it was sad because the packaging got torn, so the book is damaged, but it's okay because I am really grateful the publisher has sent it, and I'll have a different story to tell about this book every single time कि इस book के साथ क्या हुआ था. It's like a memorable thing now. Anyways, I have talked a lot. I haven't shown you the book, and it's With a Vengeance by Riley Sager, and this is the situation. It's okay. I mean, I don't really mind. I mean, I used to be that person who used to like feel sad that the books are damaged. What am I gonna do with it? I'm so sad. I want them to be in pristine condition. This is never going to happen. My books are never going to stay like that because I live in a very humid city and it's very polluted. So it's humid plus dusty. there's a lot of construction going on in the city, so dust to hai hi sab jagah pe, so they will always get yellow pages. Like all these books which you see behind me, they have yellow pages, and I have made peace with it, so I don't mind it. I'm really glad that I get to read this book. Anyways, let's talk about it. It's a very, I mean, I don't know, the train on the cover plus the historic setting, like it's a period book. So it's set in 1942. Six people destroyed Anna Matheson's family. 12 years later, she is ready for retribution. That's what is going on. With love, 1958. So that's when the book is set, of course. There, I don't know anything else. I just know it's written by Riley Sager. It's a mystery thriller sort of a book. And there's a train, so it will be like a confined space mystery. There's nowhere to run. I love such books where there's secluded areas, they are cut off from the rest of the world. There's nowhere to run, and there's a person, a killer among them. I just love that sort of a thing, like that sort of a mystery. I love them because it adds another level of thrill to it. I really like those. And right now, from the back or the front cover, it's giving me Murder on the Orient Express vibes. I don't know. Well, the setting. That's the setting I'm thinking in mind because it's a classic, right? Anyways, excited to read this book, and thank you, Hachette, for sending this book. I know they're not watching, but I just want to say that. Then we have another cozy mystery book, and it's written by an Indian author, and it's the Into the Leopard's Den by Harini Nagendra. I have, yeah, there's सब कुछ very very like high praise. ये मुझे सब कुछ याद है. Anyways, it's the fourth book in this series, and it's the Bangalore Detectives Club series. The main character, her name is Kaveri. लास्ट टाइम मैंने इसको कुछ और बुलाया था, नहीं ये नाम नहीं है. So Kaveri is our main character, and again, this one also has a historic setting. So there are historic events happening, and her husband is the fictional boyfriend husband material. Like he is the standard, okay? He is a doctor. His wife wants to do detective work in 1940s 1950s, that era, and he is supporting her, he is helping her into sleuthing things. Oh my god, they are the perfect duo. Love them a lot, and I can't wait to see what murder she's solving next. There are series of murders. Oh, I'm intrigued. I want to read this now, like right now. Maybe. I don't know because I am right now reading either mystery thrillers, cozy mysteries, or books with fall settings. That's what you are seeing right now as well. So maybe I'll pick this one next. It depends on my mood, okay? Next book which I have here is called Amelia If Only by Becky Albertalli. Becky Albertalli. अगर मैंने वो इंडियन एक्सेंट में बोला तो कुछ अलग ही लगता है. I don't know. Is Amelia If Only, and this author is one of my favorite authors. I have read all her previous work, and there are a lot of books I have read. I have completed her entire backlist, and this is a newest release, and I cannot wait to read it. Her books have the sweetest friend groups, and I cannot wait to read it because there are four characters, not two, but four characters, and I think there's a road trip. I don't know if I'm gonna read it right now because I'm not in the summer mood, but at the same time, it's October 8. मैंने AC लगाया है, which I haven't done since May, I think, while filming. So we'll see. We'll see. Maybe I'll pick this one because even this one's very short. I think it is. Oh, it's very short. I can. It's less than 300 pages, guys. I can finish this one, and it's very. Can you see? Oh, it's going to be like a quick read, and I should I read? I mean, all these books I want to read like right now. So I don't know which one I'm picking next. Or maybe I have an idea. I have an idea कि मैं क्या पढ़ने वाली हूँ next. The next book which I have here is the one which I've already read. This is the only book which I have already shown to you, and I've read it in a vlog because I wanted to read it. Anyways, it's Fallen in the Kiss of Dusk is the part of the Crown of Nyaxia series, and is the fourth book and second book in the duology. There are three duologies in the series. And I was very excited to see कि क्या होने वाला है, and I had to read it like immediately. So that's why I read it. Loved it. It's a huge book. And if I'm picking it up immediately, and if the size is not intimidating me, then you know it's really worth reading it. The next book which I have here is one I have been anticipating since it was announced, or rather when I finished this author's first book, the debut book, and I was like, मुझे पढ़ना है जो भी this author will write. I want to read it during fall because she writes fall books, and it is Uncharmed. I have it in my hands. I can't. Just admiring the beauty of this cover. Like, look at the cover, it's stunning. I mean, of course, it's giving me more of a spring vibes for some reason, more than the fall vibe. The US cover has fall vibes, like more fall vibes, but this one goes really well with the UK edition of Rewished. And I love when books have similar covers and they match. So I'm very excited to read this. It's about, I think, Penelope and Andromeda Wildwood. She writes names which are like whimsical. Like her main characters have very whimsical names. Andromeda Wildwood, Annie. The short form is better. So she has a very perfect life, and now I don't know. Honestly, 90% of these books I have no clue what's going on in these books because it's like I want to read it, and sometimes I read books with little to no knowledge of them. Like I don't read blurbs. If I know कि मुझे क्या, like I know the type of characters I will meet in this story, I know the which magic system, plus I know the writing. So I know that's all I want to know. I think this is the book which I'm starting next. I just finished a book, so I really want to start this one. It's so cute, and now I want to have this cake. I don't know what that cake is. Maybe it will be mentioned in the book. There's a strong chance. Is she a baker? She is a proud owner of Celestial Bakehouse. The first book had a bookstore, now there's a bakehouse. And they are on the same street. I remember the author talking about it on her Instagram that it's on the same street, so the bookstore from the first book is there. I cannot tell you how excited I am to pick this one up right now. I'm gonna start this immediately. And now it's time for me to clip the mic because I need my hands. And you know what the time is? It's book mail unbox time. And there are multiple books because and I have been like एड्रेस छुपा है बिकॉज मुझे बाद में पूरा उसको ब्लर करना पड़ता है ना आई गेट सो अनॉयड मुझे उस पर बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम देना पड़ता है टू मेक श्योर माई एड्रेस इज नॉट विजिबल सो दिस टाइम आई हैव टेप्ड न्यूज पेपर बिकॉज नॉर्मल अस्थेटिक पेपर भी मैं ढूंढ सकती थी बट आई एम लाइक व्हाई वेस्ट aesthetic papers, let's use them in journal. So I've decided to use a random newspaper to cover my address. It is doing its job. That's all we want. So this is a giveaway prize. I won a giveaway by, it was hosted by, the problem is with names. I know it was in association with Bloomsbury and it was Books and Beyond. Yeah, she hosted the giveaway and I won it and it just came literally today. So I thought, okay, like now is the time to do the book haul because now I want to open this. So yeah, I have the cutter. Let's open it. I mean, I know all the books which are there, but it's fun, right? Okay, I'm very scared to do it in Hawa, basically. I think that's why a lot of people literally open the books beforehand because this is so difficult. कि एक तो वो हवा में करो and ऊपर से book को damage ना करो. There's like a lot going on. I don't think you can even see it. I'm so bad at this. That's why I do it on my table because that's much better. Let's take out books one by one because I'm doing a really bad job. The first book which we have here is Bad Publicity. It's called 2XS 1 Month on Tour. What Can Go Wrong? Laurie Gilmore is the author of the Pumpkin Spice Cafe, right? Yes, yes. So the author of Pumpkin Spice Cafe has blurbed it, and it's written like filled with heart, humor, and swoon-worthy moments. I love books which are swoon-worthy, like rom-coms. So, of course, that's why I entered the giveaway because I'm a rom-com person, right? So I'm excited to read this book. Very pink. I love the color, and that's the theme which you will notice very soon. The next book which we have here is Red Flags and Rishtas, and it is by Radhika Agarwal, and it's a desi rom-com. I mean, I want to find good Indian rom-coms. I have already made a blog about reading Indian rom-coms, like one blog. So I want to read more. So now I have another one to try, and I'm very excited to read this one. She's the queen of dating apps. He believes in arranged marriages. Okay, okay. And there's something written, and it is written that witty and relatable. So I want to see if it's actually relatable because since it's a Daisy rom-com, I think we can relate to it. And I'm excited to read this one. And the last book which we have here is Summer in the City. If you know, you know. I mean, I have read it already. I read it on Kindle during summer. So I have already read it, but now I have it in my hands. It was an average read for me. It's not like I didn't like it. I didn't love it. It was very typical book talk book in my opinion. So if you like that type of romance, you will enjoy it thoroughly and it's perfect for summertime. So I would suggest you to pick it in summer because it's set in NYC during summer and they're doing a lot of summer activities. There's fake dating. Guy is billionaire and she is a script writer and anonymous script writer. Very interesting. Overall, I enjoyed it and I really wanted to read the other two books. This one was there and I really didn't think I would win it. But I'm really glad that I have all of these books in my hand. Wait, let's see them together. Can you see the theme? The pink rom-com. I mean, my pink loving heart is very happy. So those were all the books and now I have to clean the mess and start reading because I have a lot of new books. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know which books you are excited to read from all of these books. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and thanks for watching. Bye.